Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to try this. So it's another railing exercise. So it's a quite simple one. So we're trying to finish it like in maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so how to fix this railing? So the red part we solid as a wall beneath railing. So okay, so it looks like it's a curved railing and a slope, and also maybe it's on a ramp. Okay, so and then we just need to make the bottom part solid, and then I think this vertical part sitting on top of that solid. Okay, so let's do it. So first let's create a project. So we're going to use a default railing for from that template. So okay, so this is a project. So let's just create a ramp. So use center what's that? Center ends arc, and then directly we can just create it and finish. Okay, so this is a ramp. Let's go to 3D view. Okay, so you can see Revit automatically create these two rail. Okay, so now we're going to just use this one. So we need to add a solid bit directly on this ramp. So we need to create a profile for this. So go to create a new family, and then use the profile. You can use the profile, or directly let's use a profile rail. Okay, so now we just need to create a closed, shape. So let's use rectangle. So I'm going to just draw something here. So maybe make it 90. Maybe make it 600, for example. Now I'm going to tab, select the whole thing, MV, move. Maybe just move it here. So now we have this, and we can load this one into the project. So now let's go to 3D view, select. Oops, sorry. Select this railing, edit type, and so we need to add a rail structure, so non-continuous. So click on edit. So there's nothing here because this is a top rail, so it's not part of this. So it's if I click on cancel, it's this one. Okay, so go back to a rail structure non-continuous. Click on insert. So this is the name. So you can change it if you wanted to. And height is the bottom of that profile. So in this scenario, it need to be 0. Offset, I'll just leave it for now. Profile, so we need to find that file, so which is family 3. Okay, so click, you can change the material if you want to. So click OK and OK. Now we have a solid you can call it rail or you can call it wall. But when you move your cursor onto this rail, you can see these balusters, it still go all the way down onto the ramp. So what we need to do is go edit type, go to baluster placement, and so here, so this is this baluster. So we need to change the base from host, which is this ramp, to new railing, so which is this solid bit, and it will sit on top of this. So click apply, OK, that's it. And yeah, it looks like the space is too big. No, it's not safe. So maybe we just change this one. Okay, so that's better. And what's next? Okay, so we're still this here. So this is I think a starting and end post. So when you go to baluster placement again, so there are these. So start post and end post. So we can change this one to if you don't need them, so you can just change it to none. So you'll see it will delete these start and end post. If you want exactly the same like these, so you can go there, still have them, but change the base to the solid bit. Okay, so click OK and OK. So sometimes it's not very. So you can see this one's slightly smaller than this. So if you want these spacings exactly the same, so the easiest way is just change this one to spread pattern to fit. So this will make sure all the spacing between these are the same. Oh, actually it's not exactly, because this is the starting post. So maybe that's like half of the width difference. So you can still try to adjust here. I think it's this one. So if you change this to 0, so you'll see it will move this out. Now the spacing is same, but again you probably don't want to see this. So maybe it's just, let's just keep, I'll cancel this. Doesn't work. Maybe Control Z. Yeah. So okay, and let's have a look. So the offset, so currently is sitting on the edge, but I think you probably want this one to, align with this. So you can use offset from path, directly type in 45 mil. So because this one is 90 when we build this one profile, so it's 90. So it's just half of 90 is 45, and it actually goes out. So you can use negative 45, or you can still use 45, but you can click on this, so it will flip direction. So flip to the other side. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. So if you change, so the good thing about railing is if you change, so for example I change the slope, maximum slope. If you change the slope of this ramp, this railing will follow. So you can see Control Z, Control Z, Control Y, Control Z, Control Y. Okay. So and also sometimes we also use floor. Sometimes we use floor for the rail. So for example, I'll just create a floor and use start end radius, and I'll just offset 1 meter with copy, and then I'll close it and finish, and then we can use modify sub element, lift this up a little bit. Okay, so now we have a floor as a ramp, right? So we can also use this. So CS, create similar. So for this one, you can use you can directly type in a number. So for example, negative 45. Pick this line. Oh, sorry, pick lines, and pick this edge, and then finish. And then you can just use pick new host and pick this floor. Okay, so very simple, right? Let's try it again. CES, create similar, pick line, negative 45, which is correct, pick line, finish, pick new host, pick floor. Okay, so yeah, I think this is it. So this one's ramp, this is floor, this is railing. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.